Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn how to upload the any file in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned how to create the session flash in Laravel. So in this video we will learn how to upload the file in Laravel. First of all we will make the view in Laravel, and after that we will create a form, and after that we will create a controller and we will write the code to upload the file in Laravel. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video if you are following my series from starting. So let us see how to upload the file in Laravel. Let us open the project. So this is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in the previous video. So let us open the text editor. This is our project. For that we need to create the view. First of all, open resource views and create a new view and save as users.blade.php. File uploading Laravel. So let us create the route users. So let us test. Now you can see this view is working. So let us create a form. URL upload file. Method post encryption type multipart form data. Input file name file. You can give any name which you want. Submit. Value upload. So let us refresh this page. So let us create the route for this. Now first of all we will create the controller. So let us use this controller which we have already created. Post user controller class, and in the next parameter we will pass the name of function file upload. Let us create this function. So let us write the code of file uploading. Request file, and we will pass the name of this file, this name. Store, and we will pass the name of folder which we want upload our file. For example, I want to upload in images folder. Images, file uploaded successfully. So let us test. So let us upload this file. Click on upload. Now you can see file uploaded successfully. So let us check where this file is uploaded. Open the storage folder, and inside the storage open the app images, and you can see images uploaded successfully. When you will pass any name inside the store function, it will create the specific folder where you will upload the file. So let us change for testing files, and you can see there is no folder inside the app files. Let us refresh. Open this file, click on upload. So let us test again. You can see files folder is created, and inside the file you can see this image is uploaded successfully. This is only one line code in Laravel. You can upload this file. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share this video. Thank you.